Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter recovery mode on your MacBook Air M5. First of all, we're going to have to turn off this device completely, which we can do by either selecting shutdown in the Apple menu. So quick settings menu right here. Just go to shutdown option and select it, and then confirm it on your screen. Or if your device is frozen, you can hold down the power button for about 10 seconds and your device will shut down after that. So let's select shutdown and then let's confirm our choice. And after a couple of seconds, once our device's screen becomes black, let's hold down the power button, but do not release it until you see loading recovery options on your screen. So right now it says continue, and right now we have loading startup options. So not recovery, but startup options. And in a couple of seconds we're gonna see the startup options, and we have Macintosh hard drive or options. And the options is something that will lead us to recovery. So let's select options, then tap continue. Then let's wait until the device is in recovery mode. Okay, and so we are in recovery mode. Now we're gonna have to select our user and provide a password for it. Then press enter to confirm, and here are the recovery options that we can use in this menu. To exit, just navigate to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your device's screen and select Restart. And this will get you back into the macOS. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.